So that's the part 5 of the tutorial. So let's get started. So first, C. Goes like this. So pick C, pick the second string, then second one, second 3, first string, so second top, second, fourth, second, so goes like this. Strum and second string, second verse. Pick the top 3 strings when you put your finger on the second 3, and pick the bottom string and top, second top, so repeat 3 times. Then move up to D, the same way to play it. The same. Just 2 fret upwards. So the same. Pick and second string. Put your point. Put it on the second 3. Second 5 and bottom string. Second string, top, third. Okay. Then this chord. This is 0, 5, 3, 8. So first strum the top 3 strings, then strum, and put your pinky on the first 7. Next, put your ring finger on the first 5. This chord, and 0, 4, 3, 3. Then okay, so this chord, G7, 0, 2, 1, 2, and put your pinky on the first 3, then slide up to here, 0, 5, 3, 5, and this chord. So bar the 10th fret and put your pinky on the first 13. Then repeat the same thing. Then instead of going to G7, go this way. So 0, 9, 8, 8. Strum and put your middle ring finger on the first 10 and put your pinky on the first 12. Then do it like this. So it goes like this. Then see? Then so this one, this chord, 5, 5, 5, 5, 8. bar the 5th fret and put your pinky on the first 8. So down, down, up, down. Then put your link finger on the first 7 and 8. Put it back to 8 and 7 and so this chord again 0, 5, 3, 5. Then put your pinky on the first 7. Then back to this chord again. 7, 8, and this chord. Sorry. Put your pinky on the first 7 and put it back. Put it down and okay. So I didn't even make it complicated. So it goes like this. Then so this chord D minor 7 with a point finger on the first fret of the second string and with your middle finger on the top 2 string of the second fret and put your link finger on the first 3. So down, up, down, up, down. Then this chord 0, 5, 3, 5. D minor 7 and this chord again. And so first 3 and first 2. Then start the first part of this video. Instead of going, it goes like this. Play like this. Sorry. Oh yeah, that one. So first chord 0, 8. Sorry, 0, 7, 6, 6. 0, 7, 6, 6. So strum and put your ring finger on the first 8 and pinky on the first 10. Then slide 2 up, do the same. So your point finger should be on the 9th fret. Sorry, 8th. Sorry, 8th. Oh, makes it hard. So it's 0, 9, 8, 8, and put it on 10 and 12, and sorry, yeah, like this. So make a G shape on the 10th. So 0, 10, 11, 10, and put your pinky on the first 12 and first 13. Okay, then so yeah, then so first chord 0, 3, 4, 3. Bar the 5th and put your pinky on the first 8. Bar the 7th and put it on the first 10. Then I'm sorry. Yeah, this one. So first chord. Just play the bottom 2 strings. So I'm gonna say For this one, I'm gonna say 3-2, 3-2, 5-3, then 7-5, 5-3. So okay, again 7-5. Sorry, next one is 8-7. So then go back to 7-5 and 8-7 and 10-8, 8-7, 10-8, 12-10, 14-12. This chord. Wait, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14. So 16, 15, and put your ring finger on the first 17. Okay, so it goes like this. So that's the end of the part 5. Thank you for watching, and wait for the part 6. So please do subscribe and give a big thumbs up, and that makes me happy. So see you later. Bye bye.